Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Consistent Profits. I am going to be looking at the GBP USD and Euro USD once again. Let me quickly do this. GBP USD. GBP USD. Alright, I hope you guys are having a great week. So far, so good on my end. Excited for the rest of the week. The week has already begun, and yesterday I already put out a analysis on GBP USD and Euro USD ahead of the week. So today I am going to quickly have a look at these two assets, these two pairs again, to have a closer look on what has transpired today and also what we can expect for the rest of the week. Already we can see a slight bullish momentum on GBP USD, as I had already anticipated according to the analysis that I gave you yesterday. Monday, it's early days and anything can happen. However, I can see a momentum to the upside. Price didn't manage to come to this high. I thought it might trade into this high over here, the old high over here, on the weekly chart, and begin to rally up, as it has shown some sense or signs of bullish momentum so far this week. It's only Monday and we are in London close right now, London close session. We are about an hour 45 minutes or so. Actually, we are about 15 minutes or so before the session closes. So the idea of this market, we already have spoken that mostly I will be seeking bullish or buys in this market this week, unless I begin to see on higher time frame a little bit of bearish momentum building up. But so far it seems very much bullish still, and I'm still holding the idea of bullishness on this chart, like I have spoken yesterday. Reason being, I can see price trading into higher into this fair value gap because it has already dipped into it, and go all the way below this low over here of this bullish candle over here, and that will be the least target, unless lest the market begin to rally up further and trade into the high over here of this candle and beyond. However, my target, or what I'm anticipating in this market this week, is for it to go up from where it is, or maybe dip a little bit lower, and maybe tomorrow or even later today, and then begin to rally up into this high over here, and then eventually into the low over here. That's what I'm expecting this week. If that doesn't happen this week, it might happen next week, and the like. However, if I begin to see bearish momentum building up in this market, I will be looking for price to trade to this level here that I have put a purple line on right here, to close up the fair value gap that we are already seeing or noticing in this market. And furthermore, I will be looking maybe in the weeks to come for it to trade below here if the momentum to the downside continues. That is the perspective of this market this week, on according to the weekly chart. And on the daily chart, you can see that the market attempted to create a classic break of structure over here, and it failed. However, before that move, we can see that the price, like I had already, you can check my last week's analysis ahead of the week. My anticipation was for price to trade from over here, go down during the week, and then begin to trade up into this high and higher to the level that I already have just shown you on the weekly chart. It did trade higher, however, it couldn't trade beyond this high. So this week, this high is still there, a key level for me where I see price at least trading into, unless I begin to see an official bearish momentum building up in this market. However, for now, I'm still holding the idea of bullishness, and I see the market trading from this level and into this high over here. So there will be opportunities that I will be looking for going into the high according to my strategy and the way that I analyze. That is that for the GBP USD. However, even though this market is looking bullish at the moment for me, I still understand that things can change and this market suddenly becomes bearish and all that. Then I will change my targets or change my anticipations. Then I will be looking if there is levels that price will be reaching to down here, going down, which if this market begins to show bearish signs, I will be looking for it to come below this low here, come to this low over here, and then eventually this lows and over here below, and that will be maybe in weeks to come. So without wasting time, I'm going to now jump into Euro USD. And on Euro USD, according to the weekly chart, like I have already spoken about this yesterday, that we are looking for higher prices, just like in pound USD. We are looking for higher prices, and so far also it's looking pretty much bullish on this market so far, meaning since the beginning of this day, Monday. And we are looking to see maybe if tomorrow there will be other opportunities that take us high into this high over here and eventually into these highs over there. So this is what I see on the weekly chart, and I quickly jump to the daily chart. And on the daily chart, you can see that price already dipped below here, but it didn't create a classic bearish structure break to the downside. So the intention and the idea that I see here is bullish. I'm still seeking for longs into this high over here to the upside, and then ultimately to these highs over there. That this may be reached, these highs may be reached this week or maybe in the weeks to come. However, I will be seeking for opportunities going up, on this instrument, on this pair, Euro USD. So that's it for today, and that's it so far. This is what I have been looking, what I've been observing. I've already taken a few opportunities to the upside, and I will decide whether I close them now or I keep on holding onto them until maybe I see that they are no longer viable. But however, remember, these ideas that I share with you are not necessarily for you to go into the markets and begin to trade these ideas with your real money. However, you can take these ideas, practice them, backtest them, take them for education, because essentially this channel is educational, and it's created for education purposes. And maybe use your demo account with these ideas, and once you have established yourself ready to trade with real money, then you will begin to utilize these ideas with your real money and trade them accordingly, and that will be determined by you, by the way. If you have stuck with me for this on this video for this long or up to now, please like the video, comment in the comment section. Get busy, guys, because the comment section is pretty much empty and I want it to be active. You guys can share with me what you would like to see me teach you on this channel regarding, you know, price action, regarding smart money concepts, things that I maybe say and then you would like to know more about them. Just let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you want to learn, what you want to, you know, me to teach you, the kind of videos that you would like me to present here on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next video. So far, I've been putting out these videos. I hope they are adding value to you and they are helping you maybe to analyze better or to foresee the market ahead of, you know, time, what is going to do and all that. And I hope you are learning a few things basically from these videos. And if you are doing that, please just let me know that you want me to keep continuing shooting these videos below. And yes, man, I would really appreciate that. Nonetheless, enjoy your week further. I hope that you become profitable this week. I wish you the best of luck. Have a wonderful week.